All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay, and this is a video that I've been waiting to bring you, so I'm going to jump right in. This is one of the world's first, if not the world's first, under display front camera. This phone is a quick tech spec rundown. I already pulled out the box. Charging brick, fast charger in here. 30 minutes, 60% in 30 minutes with 30-watt charging it's offering. It's running Android 10 with the Me Favor, thing over, because this is the international version. 6.92-inch 1080p display, 1080 by 2460, 64 megapixel main shooter, 8 gigs, 128 gig model right here, but it does come in a 6 gig 128, and it comes in an 8 and 6 gig 256 gig model, 4,220 milliamp hour battery. Oof, I didn't want to hold it up too long for you. This is beautiful. They make some beautiful freaking looking devices, man, and their devices are on point too with the cameras. So again, I'm going to show you the display in just a second. Just beast mode. I mean, just stupid how beautiful this phone is, man. I cannot wait to show you the cameras. This is going to be really good. Now, you've got an OLED display coming in with 90 hertz. Whew. Always on display. Android 10. I mean, there's so much. Okay, so the cameras real quick. Remember, the front display is under the display, and it's a 32 megapixel wide camera that shoots in 1080p. You've got 24-bit audio. I mean, it's just nice. The rear camera here shoots in 4K, 60 is the highest. And you've got an 8 ultra wide and 2 megapixels at macro and depth. Now, this phone weighs 198 grams, but you really can't tell. It's just not as heavy. Let me quit teasing you. I just want you to look and marvel at this beautiful shimmer. Look at, oh man, look at this. Beautiful. There is a case in the box, so I'll be putting that on too, but just looking at this hardware, this is built like that, those chamfered edges on, let me just get it for you. It's in my pocket actually, because I use it every day. This has like those edges like this, like on this blade, where it's kind of tilted in and slanted in. Really dope, man. Really dope. And here's the blade, by the way. The X1. If you haven't seen my videos on the X1, be sure to check that out. Woo, this is a beautiful thing, man. I gotta grab my my Axon 10 Pro and show you that one too. So I put this phone back in my pocket. But let me pause and get the Pro, because I gotta show it. The Axon 10 Pro. Hold on. I know you remember this beauty. Ooh, yeah. ZTE makes some of the most beautiful hardware, and it's always super affordable. Here it is. You can see how much bigger it is because of the display. That 6.92-inch display, just freaking gorgeous. And you see they're following the same design element. Pretty much, this one is more beefier. It's got more specs, bigger screen, more cameras. But this same design element, this is beast mode right here. So ZTE is doing the most, man. They are doing the most. Now, marveling at this hardware here. No headphone jack on this thing, but you do have that 24-bit audio. And so we're gonna flip it over, and I'm finally gonna show you the oh, wrong finger. I'm gonna show you the come on. There we go. I'm gonna show you the screen here. Look at this beautiful display. 6.92 inches, man. This is pretty much a 7-inch display, folks. A 7-inch display. And it is freaking beautiful, man. So I set up the phone already. Let me show you the facial unlock. You can see it's unlocked, and I just need to swipe away. It's so fast. Watch the center of the screen. Watch right there. If I can get it to do it now. Now I want to do it. Now I want to do it. Don't want to show you, but it's a really fast facial unlock. I'm gonna change the settings if I can to make it pop open on its own. As a matter of fact, let me see if I can go in and just do that right now. Home and lock. It's on display. Might as well turn that on. We'll get this going in a minute. I'll go through the settings or whatever. But lock screen. Let's go to security. Should be on security. Here we go. And face unlock. I just create these little passwords. So swipe to unlock directly. There we go. Unlock apps with it. Ooh, I'll change that to later. That's nice. Access private space. All right, so now, there it is. Look at how fast that is, man. Told you it was fast. That's fast. Security patches on January. This is going to be interesting. So getting back to this beautiful display right here, let's go into, and this is how it came to me after I went through the setup. I just left it like this. So let's go into wallpapers. Let's see here. And oh man, it's going to be some, oof, look at this. Look at this beautiful wallpaper. You got to give ZTE some credit, man. They get slept on all the time. Do you see this? Do you see this? This is incredible. Do you see it? This is a beautiful hardware. Look at this. This is the one right here. This is the one. This is the one. Oh, man. Oh, look at that. I wonder if that's on a lock screen. Oh, let's see. Come on, son. That's dope. It's moving. Yeah, man, this is going to be dope right here. I'm telling you, this gets me hype. This is nice. Yes, this is how you do lock screens and wallpapers and everything. It's incredible. Anyway, here are the rest of them. This is that one default one that you guys love. I told you it's a ZTE wallpaper. So there's a bunch of them in here, but I'm going with this joint right here. And we stay in here. We'll go to settings. I'm just kind of fumbling around through here, but you can see you can go all the way to 6.5, which is what I want to do. I want to have as much space on here as possible. I love this. You just got to marvel at the display real quick. I'm going to go ahead and go in and play this. It doesn't have stereo speakers, but I'm going to go ahead and show you the sound out of that loudspeaker because it does have a loudspeaker. So let's clear off some of this right here. Let's just clear some of this off because I normally don't keep any of this on the desktop. And you can uninstall that. Wow, they let you uninstall their browser. You know they trust them. If they let you uninstall their own browser. Let's get rid of this Facebook. And again, I apologize. I know I'm jumping around here, but I got to make some moves real quick. So I wanted to bring this, at least get this recorded and up for you. So I think I will uninstall their browser. No, I'll leave it on there because there might be something on there that I want to use. But I'll get this all set up later. But yeah, this is let's go into the speakers here so I can show you the speakers. We'll go through the settings too, and then I'll get out of here. So let me get a video shot found out. All right, the joys of not having the camera come through the this. So, not the loudest speaker, you know what I'm saying? But it's definitely doable. It's all right. That's good. Not the loudest speaker, but definitely will work with it. So let's go into the cameras here. I'm going to show you this front camera. You'll see a little thing waving right here. I can just flip it around. Say hello to the wing. Boom. Look at the front camera. You see the little thing up there? That is just crazy. So if you go to video, that's sick, man. You go to settings. You can see the video is 1080p by 1690. Cancel that. Shutter, geotag, boom, boom, standard, better quality, high efficiency, low space. So yeah, this is where it's at, man. Let's cancel that. So this is the front camera, man. This is crazy. It doesn't look like it's good quality, but when you take a photo, let me wipe the front off and take a photo. I'm just going to take this photo and we'll show it to you. You can see how it is. That's definitely better when I zoom in or whatever, but it's good for the first attempt at having a camera under the display. That's dope right there. That's not bad at all, man. It's like everybody else's selfie camera. I like that it has the Axon 25G down there. Now the rear camera, folks, that's another story. Oh, but it has portrait too. Let me flip that and show you this portrait real quick. I'm gonna step off camera and take a portrait real quick. All right, so yeah, definitely needs some work. It needs some work, but it's doable. It's definitely doable. Yeah, the rear cameras though, it's a whole nother thing. They're going to be fantastic. So you go to video, and then you can do settings here. You can see 16:9. You can change this all the way up to 4K, and there it is. Very nice. I'm feeling it. Very nice. Yeah, this is gonna be good. We'll get into the cameras and stuff later, but that is definitely nice. So the world's first under display fingerprint or under display camera. You can kind of see a little cutout of it right. Look right there. You see it right there. That is dope, man. Having the full display to watch content and stuff. If only this had stereo speakers. Wish they would have put one on the top out there, but hold on, let me clean it up. If only they could have put a speaker out here and a speaker out there, it would have been even better. But I got to tell you, this is a beautiful phone. It's not really that big. It sounds big when you start to talk about the size of the screen or whatever, but it's just pretty much all screen. And I think this is one that you can appreciate. Whoo! This thing is beautiful, man. $400. You can find this for $400. I know you can. So yeah, performance seems like it's gonna be pretty good. Fast fingerprint reader. Let's go into settings real quick before I get out of here. Screen is beautiful. Let's go to dark mode real quick. Voila. So you got your settings, your network and everything. Connected devices. You got NFC, which is really dope that this has NFC. Remember, you got that Bluetooth 5.1 on here, I believe. Yep, Bluetooth 5.1. That's nice. You got your status bar. Very nice display network speed. I love doing that. All right. And I need to check, also need to check the software, current software version. So you got your home screen, your always on lock display. Let's go here so you can see the different, you got more styles. Currently it's there. You can change it to all of these. Really nice. Ooh. Oh, this is dope right there. This is nice, man. They just have, look at this one. It's crazy. Shout out to Pixel. It's definitely not 4 a.m. I haven't got a SIM card in there yet. But look at this. This is nice, man. Really nice. Good job, ZTE, man. Y'all bring the thunder. The fact that they move y'all out of the U.S. is like they try to shot and get y'all out of the way. That lets you know how good you are. Shoot. Okay. You can have a little sand on that one right there. I like that. Anyway, that's the always on display bars. You just caught that. And then you got your pedometer. You can display that out there. Home screen mode icons. Layout. You can yeah, this is the same, kind of the same routine here with these, man. So yeah, I like that. All right. And I went over the display already. You got your refresh rate. Let's get it to 90 hertz. Man, that wasn't even on 90 hertz yet. All right. Okay. All right. Screen effects. This is all the different coloring and everything. How you like it warm or whatever. Let's change this to 30. Got your default size of the screen you can rock with. Features, navigation, 5G smart communication. This is pretty dope that they're putting this in here. So right now it's letting me know, oh, you're on Wi-Fi. You can see my uplink and everything. You can see everything. Yeah. Really, really nice, man. Super antenna. Oh, that's crazy. I like this, man. Oof. Lets you know who you connected to and everything. Gestures and motions. Here you go. Double tap to wake the screen. 3-finger pinch screen. Okay, okay. Auto answer. Pocket mode. Definitely want pocket mode on. Snooze is on. Change the earpiece. Shake to turn on flashlight. Pretty dope. You can see there's a bunch of things in here. You see a little bit of moto in there. And the originators of things, it's okay for other people to use them, other companies to use them, because, you know, you got to share the wealth. You got screen record on here. You want to set that quality to high whenever you're doing screen record. I will probably do some screen recording. AI system engine. You can see it's taking care of everything in the background for me. It tells me everything about this phone. Not that I'll ever come in here. If I'm just being 100 with you. Probably won't ever come in here, but it's good to know that it's there for me to have the ability to get in there if I need to. So right here, it's letting you know if you hold the power button for 0.5 seconds, you can wake up the Google Assistant. I really don't. I don't like using my power button for stuff because I always make a mistake and hit the button. I do it every time, and next thing you know, I'm in there with 1,000 photos, and the battery is draining. This lets you know all the storage here is used. Only 18 gigs is used. From all the apps on there, it's 1.65. The system is only taking 2.23. This other, I don't know what the other is. I have to figure that's 14.7 gigs. It's probably another part of the system, like for the ZTE stuff that's on there possibly. That's it, man. Let's go into settings here. Let's see, system update. Let's see if there's something. Yeah, this is Mi Favor 10.5 based on Android 10, and there is no software updates. So with that being said, let's go to About and see what we're running. Status. I want to see the, let's go here. Here we go. It's on January 10th. Okay, so yeah, I saw that earlier. All right, so there it is. So let's see if they got the themes on here, where I could change the theme. If not, I'll go. No, I don't see any themes on here. So this it's MIUI, but it's basically the stock Android flow. Mi Favor 10 or whatever. So there it is, folks. A beautiful phone that I'm going to charge up and test out for you guys. I appreciate you guys standing by for this video. I know it's a pretty lengthy one, but sometimes you do an unboxing, you just got to roll with it. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. World's first, right? Under display camera dopeness. See you in the next one. I got to end on the back of this. Hold on. I got to flip this over and just give you some little shine here from the shimmer of this beautiful piece of hardware. Oh man, that's just sick.